All right, Corvette time here at Unique Specialty Classics. This particular one, 1980 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. As you can see, T-tops are removed. It does have the mirrored glass T-tops that were taken out. You can check out the still picture. It'll have pictures of them in and out. Should be over 100 pictures of this car online. I'll tell you in a bit where you can check that out. Now, this is a numbers matching 350 underneath the hood that is paired with a 350 automatic transmission. Car was originally a red car, has undergone a paint job along the way somewhere. Kept in the original red color though, as you can see. Take a good look at the nose cone. Hey, one of the things you don't notice is any sort of stress cracking or anything right on that nose like you see on so many of them. And as far as paint chips, yeah, you're gonna find a few here and there, little imperfection down here, but overall, take a look up on the hood where you start to see a lot of them. This one's pretty free of chips. Paint nice shape on the nose cone. The rest of it, there is one little dinger right here I want to point out where the paint's cracked a little bit. It's kind of tough to get it to show up. I want to make you aware of that. And you'll find a couple little touched up chips where they touched in the red paint to match. It's kind of a nice sign. At least the previous owners have taken care of this car, cared enough to touch those up. Now, 350 underneath the hood, also power steering, power brakes, and this would have been an original AC car. Some of the AC components have been removed, so the AC is not blowing cold, and we'll take a look under the hood here shortly too. But if you want to check out the still pictures under the hood, underside of the car, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on the stock wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Take a look up and down the passenger side of this car, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches there either. Interior appears that it could be original. It was a red leather interior car. Would not be surprised at all if this interior was original. As you can see, shifter and center console for the turbo 350 automatic transmission. Slip around to the back. Let's get a good look back here. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. FYI, here's those mirrored glass tops. There are some manuals that will go with it, some other paraphernalia and paperwork that will be included in the car. I noticed the visor on the driver's side is with it. Would need to be reinstalled correctly or maybe a new one put on. Again, still pictures, so you can check out the underside. Looks like a newer exhaust underside on this car. Take a look at it close. It looks pretty nice. I mean, considering age of car. UniqueClassicCars.com. That's where you can see the underside pictures. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right there. We'll look up and down the driver's side here also. Again, paint very presentable in this car, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Yeah, there's a few touch-up spots where you get the little tiny ones. That'd be it. Again, numbers matching, 350 underneath the hood. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior. Like I said, the door panels, interior carpet, does appear that it could be original. I do have pictures with the floor mats out on our website, so you can see the carpeting. There's room in here for the video, and since I'm going to get in and out of the car, get a look at the leather seats. Again, original red on red car. Let's go ahead and start this up. So you would have tilt column, telescopic also. See how easily that starts. Runs well, tack works. Here's all the gauges also work, with the exception of the clock. Imagine that. Later model stereo added to it. Sony. Power window car. Power again, power steering, power brakes. Was originally AC. Not all the components are hooked up. All right. Slip around to the back of this. No crazy cam, anything like that. Nice sounding 350 underneath the hood. Seems to be a very good runner. All right, I'm going to pause this a second, and let's pop that hood so you can take a look at the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
HEI ignition, aluminum radiator's been added. You can see some chrome covers, valve covers, air cleaner cover, brake fluid. It's a nice, tidy, nice looking engine bay. Just look around to this side. See where the compressor would have been, has been removed. And then the other components seem to be here. Take the T-tops out for the fresh air. Alright, one other thing I wanted to do for you. Let's click the lights on here a second. Headlights working order. Just wanted to show you that they work also. So there you go, 1980 Chevrolet Corvette. Glass T-top car, red on red, 350 underneath the hood, turbo 350 automatic transmission. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.